Welcome guys to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this kinky afro bun with an old kinky. So here I just already separated them. I had to pack them up. I washed them already in this part. I washed it and I dried it. It's my short video in case you're looking for the tutorial on it. I have this elastic band, so I just get it for like 245 or so, and then I had to cut the extension because it was too long for what I want to achieve. So then just go ahead and quickly brush it. And make sure you brush it very well. Like I'm trying to just remove the old coils that is on the kinky. So you just keep on brushing it very well till you see that all coils or all the parts that are tangled are out. Keep on doing this process till you get to the desired amount of kinky hair you want to use. So you're going to do it for all of them. It's going to look like this. So when you're done, you just quickly put out your dummy head and then pin my dummy head with my elastic band to attach it so that it's going to stay firm. And then just quickly cut it, bring out the part of the kinky hair you want to be using little by little, not too small so as not to waste your time. Just keep on attaching it to the band. You just tie it as simple as this. So we're going to go over it again. You just place it in and then you make sure you knot it. Make sure you knot it firmly so that when you are brushing it, it won't fall off because maybe you did not tie it well. So just do it well. You keep on going over this process. You keep on adding more kinky hair to it till you get to the size that you want. I feel like making it fuller is better. And then when you're done, you just take your brush and brush it out like very, because this process will help you make it more fuller. Like the more you are bringing everything out, you're brushing it, you're removing the coils, the tangles, everything. You even use your hand. I have to use my hand to like bring everything out to make sure it's more fluffy and natural. Then looking at it here is what it looked like. I had to go over with my scissors again to trim off the excesses because it won't make it look like that. So I think this is better if you use your scissors. You trim it very well. When I mean very well, make sure you trim it very so it will look presentable. Okay, this is what it came out looking like. So tell me what you think about it. I think it came out very beautiful. So just drop a comment on how you feel about this hair. Make sure you press it very well. I added my orange shine to make sure it look like more shiny and came out smooth. So this is what it looked like on my head. Very beautiful. I really love the fact that I was able to make something out of my old kinky hair. So will you try this? Drop the comments in the comment section. Like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this my channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Just tell me a tutorial on what you want me to do for you and I'm here for you. Okay.